seal bathroom floor tile and grout only after the grout has fully cured to ensure a durable water barrier. Start by confirming the grout cure time from the manufacturer and wait that full period before any sealing. Prematurely sealing traps moisture and weakens the bond. Clean the floor with a neutral pH cleaner and rinse thoroughly, then allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours in moderate humidity so moisture does not interfere with sealer penetration. Choose a penetrating silicone or silane siloxane sealer for natural stone or cementitious grout and a high-quality water-based penetrating sealer for porcelain and ceramic. Avoid topical film-forming sealers on floors because they can become slippery and peel. Use a clean sponge, lint-free cloth, or a low-nap microfiber applicator to work the sealer into grout lines and surrounding tile, applying in small sections so you can immediately remove excess. After 4 to 8 minutes, depending on product instructions, buff the tile with clean cloths to remove surface residue and prevent haze. Test a small, inconspicuous area first to confirm no staining or color change occurs. Schedule a maintenance reseal every 12 months in high-moisture bathrooms or every 18 to 24 months in less-used bathrooms, and always re-clean and dry the floor before reapplying. The most common mistakes are sealing before grout is fully cured, which traps moisture and causes failure. Fix this by strictly following cure times on the grout technical data sheet and using a moisture meter or touch test if conditions are uncertain. Another frequent issue is leaving excess sealer on tile surfaces, which creates a cloudy haze and slipperiness. Prevent that by working in small areas, wiping off residue within the manufacturer window, and buffing thoroughly. The third problem is choosing the wrong sealer for the material, resulting in poor protection or discoloration. Mitigate this by identifying the substrate correctly, using a test patch, and selecting a penetrating product formulated for that tile and grout type. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we discuss project approaches, product choices, and maintenance tips like sealing routines. We help contractors find work by listing project leads and allowing them to participate in our discussion community so they can demonstrate expertise and build local visibility.